Hi, welcome to Bubby's Reading Circle. I hope you enjoy our book today. Make sure you look us up on the web for more books.
Bubby. Well, hello, Spike. Tommy and Sophia are having their lunchtime, and then we're going to have a book. Would you like to sit and listen to a book with us? Hi, babies.
This is for all the grandbabies when we can't be there to read to you in person. We love you.
Baby Farm Animals by Garth Williams. Cubby, look, it's a baby sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. He likes to run in the grass that grows in the meadow. Baby cats are called kittens. They love playing on the farm. At night, the farmer gives them cow's milk, and they curl up together in a big red barn. Baby rabbit lives in a hutch, which is her tiny little house. She sniffs noses with kittens and puppies because they are all friends. Baby guinea pigs also have a hutch. Have you ever seen a guinea pig's tail? That rabbit has been up to some mischief, says the brown guinea pig. Baby donkey loves to eat juicy carrots. He is sitting down because he is tired. Somebody is trying to make him stand up and follow those carrots tied at the end of the stick. I know that trick, he says. Duck page. Baby ducks are called ducklings. They swim in the pond with their wide-webbed feet. Why don't you come for a swim, they asked little chicks. Baby chicks are called chicks. They cannot swim. Mother says we must look for worms and stay out of the water, they reply. Baby pigs are called piglets. They love clean straw to sleep on. A piglet digs with his nose, which is called a snout. If you pick him up or chase him, he will squeal for his mother, help, help, help. Baby dogs are called puppies. They stay in the stable close to the horses. They growl and bark at strangers. They pretend that the shoe is a big cat, and they growl and bark at it too. Baby goats are called kids, just as little boys and girls are. They try to knock each other down by butting their heads together. Their father has horns and a pointed beard. Baby swans are called cygnets. Now they are covered with smoke-colored down, but soon they will have pure white feathers and long, long necks. Baby goose is called a gosling. She will be a big gray goose someday. See her brother with his head under the water? He's looking for something to eat. A baby horse we call a foal. She could walk the same day she was born. Now after a week, she gallops. When she is 2 years old, she will be a beautiful horse, and she will be able to carry a rider on her back. Perhaps she will even win a race. A baby pony is taking kitten and puppy for a ride. He is a Shetland pony, so he will not grow much bigger at all. A baby cow is called a calf. She says moo. It's time for lunch. The end. Yay, Cubby!
Come join us again tomorrow for another story from Bubby's Barnyard. Join us on the web for more books anytime.